Listen to this very closely, because if you miss this, you might miss the biggest opportunity our ummah will see in the past 1 decade. We're living through one of the biggest economic shifts since the internet went public. AI is taking over work that used to take a team of 10 in just a few seconds. Entire job categories are disappearing as we speak, and the people who learn to ride this wave right now are making 5 years of progress in 1 to 3 months alone. AI just made it possible for one person with an internet connection to compete with a brand that has a team of 50. That's not something that might happen. That's already exactly what's happening in the market right now. Akhi or ukhti, think about this. Every wave of wealth in history, we were either at the front or we missed it. Khadija radiallahu anha run a business empire. Wealth in the hands of righteous Muslims is power for the ummah themselves. Wealth in the hands of others is power against us. This wave of AI is the next one, and right now we're in it. That's why I'm doing this. I have one goal. I want to see 10,000 Muslims earn a real halal income online before the end of 2027 at the summer of 2026. 10,000 brothers and sisters who don't need to get a riba loan to buy a house, don't need to work a job that compromises their deen, don't need to miss their salah or even miss Jum'ah because of their job. This challenge is a step one of that goal, and every person watching this is either part of it or watching from the sidelines. Which is why for the first time ever on May 23rd at 7 p.m. Dubai time, I'm running a 3-day live challenge completely for free called the Halal Online Income Challenge. I'm going to teach you step by step on how to build an AI back-end e-commerce brand and create a full-time halal income online. I'm exposing the exact AI blueprint I personally used to scale my brand past $2.4 million, and regular Muslims used to make 5 to 20k per month. And listen, I'm not here to scare you, but the truth is the doors that are open today with AI closes fast. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Ra'd ayah 11, indeed Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. We have put a lot into this launch, and this is the first time I'm running this type of challenge. Registration is 100% free, and you get the full access to all the 3 days, workbooks, and the WhatsApp group. And there's also a VIP ticket where you can get to access the 3 days extra Q&A sessions live together with me in a smaller group, and bonuses I cannot even tell you right now. Also on day 2, I'm doing something I have never done on a live event. I won't say what, I'll just say this. If you're not there in the live, you can't take part in it. Now the seats are limited because it's free. I can't take everyone, and I'm closing registrations in a few days. So claim your free tickets right now, not later. Make the niyyah, show up, and inshallah, we will help you build something big for this ummah and for yourself, inshallah. See you on day 1, May 23rd at 7 p.m. Dubai time, inshallah.